When it comes to taking notes, there's no shortage of options. But which app is the right one for you? Today we're going to be comparing five of the top contenders: Obsidian, Google Keep, right? Simplenote. We also have Notion and also Evernote. Okay? And we're going to break down their strengths and weaknesses. So let's start with Obsidian. Now, this is best for power users and local storage, okay? Because this is a markdown based note taking app that works offline and focuses on networked thinking, as you can see, okay? It's great if you love organizing notes like a knowledge graph, right? The key features of this is its bi-directional linking. As you can see, right? We have a graph view, right? And they do have, markdown support, extensive plugin ecosystem. The pros: works offline, keeps your notes on your device. It's highly customizable with plugins and themes. It's great for, long-term knowledge management. But the cons are that there's no built-in cloud sync, so you need third-party solutions like Dropbox or iCloud. And honestly, it can feel complex for beginners. But it's best for writers, researchers, and people who want total control of their notes. Then we'll go over to Google Keep. This is best for quick notes and keeping reminders, as you can see right here, right? If you need a lightweight, fast note-taking app, Google Keep is perfect. It's great for jotting down quick thoughts, to-do lists. You have shopping lists. I have a meeting, with a time, and they will notify me via email. Or if you have the app, they'll give you a notification as well. So you can do color-coded notes, voice notes, image support. I can add images to this, as you can see. All right. We have checklist mode. There you go. We have Google Assistant integration. Pros: super fast, easy to use, syncs instantly across all devices. All you need is a Google account. Reminders and collaboration make it great for daily tasks because I can invite people to this and add them as a collaborator. The cons are that there's no, rich text formatting, no bold, no italics, things like that. It's hard to manage a large collection of notes over time, but it's best for, casual users, people in the Google ecosystem, and those who need quick searchable notes. Okay? Because you can actually search for your notes here, as you can see. Simplenote is best for minimalists, honestly. It's exactly what it sounds like: simple, fast, distraction free. It's a plain text note taking app that supports Markdown and syncs automatically across devices. Key features: cloud sync, Markdown support, version history, where you can view the version history. I would say its pros are that it's lightweight and fast, works on all platforms, as you can see right here, right? It's actually free with unlimited cloud sync, supports Markdown for formatting. The cons, I would say, there's no support for images, PDFs, attachments, and limited organizational tools, no folders or tag. It's best for writers and minimalists who prefer plain text over feature-heavy apps. Notion, I actually actively use this. It's more than just a note-taking app. It's a powerful productivity tool that combines a databases, okay, and project management collaboration in one place. I can actually invite people here, right, to this as a collaborator. Pros: highly flexible. It can be used for notes, tasks, project planning, and much more. You can support text, right? As you can see when you hover over, you can add cover icons. I can add links to these. It's mostly like Trello. I don't know if you've actually used Trello, but it's pretty much like that one. It's great for teams and project collaboration, but it can actually feel overwhelming if you just need a simple note taking. and it requires the internet for full functionality too. It's best for students, teams, project managers, anyone who needs a all-in-one workplace, right? And then we come to Evernote. So Evernote is, one that has been around for years, many, many years. Still a strong option for heavy-duty note organization. Offers powerful search tools, web clipping, and OCR, which is text recognition and images. We have, of course, web clipping, organizational tools. Pros, it can help you with advanced search, lets you find notes easily. It supports attachments, PDFs, handwritten notes, OCR. It can also make it easy to search through scanned documents, very easy. Cons, well, the free version is a very, very limited. Okay? You will need a premium plan for full features, and it's actually expensive compared to other note taking apps. It's just best for professionals and researchers who, need powerful search and document management. For final verdict, right, I would say which one you should choose, it depends, right? For offline and personal knowledge management, go for Obsidian. For quick notes and reminders, go for Google Keeps. For minimalism and speed, go for Simplenote. For document search and professional use, go for Evernote, right? And if you need organization and productivity, go for Notion. This is what I actually use, and I also use Google Keep. Okay? So I hope this provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.